am so excited to show you a finished candle. Purchased all the supplies except for the glass vessel. You can purchase it at Hobby Lobby with the other supplies. I'll tell you in a moment. Okay, so Hobby Lobby had a 40% off candle supply sale. It went Saturday, right? So I'm like, okay, well, my brain is like, well, the jars aren't on sale. So I wanted to be able to film a video with all the supplies from Hobby Lobby. And I just couldn't bring myself to pay full retail for a jar. I just couldn't do it, knowing that I had Dollar Tree vessels at home. So I was like, if it's not on sale, and I didn't find anything that sparked my interest anyway. So for this type of candle, doesn't mean that it's not a perfectly wonderful place to buy candle jars. So all the other supplies are from Hobby Lobby. And so I show you what I purchased and how I use them. I even have a couple faux pas and have to fix them on camera. And that's usually how my projects go, because I'm taking you along on new things. These are new creative ideas. Things that I haven't done before. So I'm so excited to be able to share that with you. And today we're going to go ahead and make this beautiful lemon lavender topped candle using soy wax, paraffin wax, the scents, wick, all from Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks. The mold I picked up was this citrus mold, $4 or $5 for it. I can't find my receipt. I don't know where it is. Anyway, I saw this in the baking section. You can use baking section molds, and I actually have a bath bomb mold to match this geode heart shape, so it'll be cute. So this is for another project. I just picked it up while I was there. Thought it was cute. So what we're gonna do is make a candle. So I did pick up new candle wick guards. So this is an unrelated project, but I wanted a bigger dropper bottle. I'm going to test out some beard oil. If I do like this type of bottle and size, I will go ahead and order wholesale. So that was $1. These I pick up there. I just don't do that many wooden wick projects. So I do like Makesy brand. They're wonderful. They crackle, and you just make sure that you soak them. You can even use vegetable oil. Soak the wooden wick in vegetable oil for a few hours and then let it dry out and then use it. It just helps with a cleaner, even burn. So $3.99 a package. I picked up 2. And I picked up 3 packages. The regular wicks, I didn't have any more from my wholesale order. They're $1.29 a package. They work well with soy wax. Soy wick wax with tabs. You put a little bit of paraffin in your soy wax and it helps with a hotter scent throw. And what a scent throw is basically how strong the scent is. So I like a good strong scent. So I'm gonna try for the best. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to experiment. I'm going to use a third ratio, so 3 to 1. So we're gonna go ahead and get that double boiler out and start the water. For the topper of the candle is this lemon or citrus shape, right? And the scent is going to be lemon lavender. Okay, we're at my stove here, and what we're doing is I have my big pot, just my cooking pot. It's not gonna touch any product. There's water in here about halfway full. We have a aluminum wax melter. You can pick these up anywhere where candle supplies are sold. For wax that is not microwavable, we're just gonna let it float in there a little bit until it starts liquefying, then it'll come on down. I have it on about a 7. I don't want it too high, and if I find that it is, rapidly boiling, I'm gonna turn it down. And we'll watch that go, and then we'll continually stir. This is a wooden skewer from the Dollar Tree. I have these on hand just for candle making. And I don't know, can you see this? This is an upcoming video. That is oatmeal milk and honey soap from, oh, it's just amazing, amazing. I'm so thrilled with how this soap turned out. I can't wait to show the whole process. So I can't wait to share that with you. That'll be sometime this week. When I'm testing out a new scent or a new product or a new design, I get a little nervous when I'm on camera, so I tend to not film it, and I'll just redo it in another video. Because of what happened last time with the wedding soaps. I'm perfectly fine following a recipe, not missing product, but when somebody's watching me, I don't know, it's just that anxiety kicks in. Okay, so we have a rolling boil. It is fully liquefied. We're gonna go ahead and turn that off. Let me get my thermometer. Wow, that's some hot stuff. Okay, I'm gonna just remove this and put this on my countertop with a towel down. Okay, isn't this fitting? One of my candle towels, I just use old kitchen towels, is a lemon towel. How cute. Under 180, so we're at 189, we're almost there. So let's talk about our stuff here. Okay, I already wicked the jar, which is from the Dollar Tree. And this. Okay, so this mold, I do make soap products and candle products. I don't want to put holes in each one of them. I have a micro hole using the tip of a bamboo stick. I just chopped it a little bit because who needs the whole thing, right? Let's wait for it to get under 180. 182, it's close. We'll stir in our fragrance and then split the batch. We're gonna take a little bit out and put it in another container, stir in some dye colorant, which will be yellow for our lemon. And then we'll take the rest of the batch and stir in purple for lavender for the rest of the candle. Where are we at here? On the container, it's lemon lavender. It smells so yummy. It's by Makesy. It's sold at Hobby Lobby. It says to use an ounce per fragrance load of candle wax. Since we're looking at 8 ounce, well, about a 10 ounce candle here, I go up to a 15% throw. I'm gonna test it out and use the whole bottle because I want it fragrance. And we're gonna stir for a good 2 minutes and really get it incorporated in that wax. There's some cloud there. It's probably from the paraffin clouding, but it's still staying pretty warm. Oh, now I'm starting to really smell it, just stirring it. It smells delicious. Okay. And we're gonna take a Dollar Tree measuring cup. I have a ton of these for soap and candle making. Love them. We're gonna just pour, we're gonna guesstimate. Let's take the end of the bamboo stick, dip it in the yellow, and stir. That's a good enough yellow. I don't want an orange here. Then it would be an orange lavender candle. It would be very confusing. Okay. At this point, you could add just a little bit of mica. I don't like to add too much mica to candles because mica will clog up your wicks and mess with your burn. So not too much, okay? But it would be cute to put a little bit of glitter down on the mold. So there, we're good with our lemon back. It's not solidifying at all. And I'm going to stir in. See, I'm clumsy. At least I can laugh at myself. Okay, just the tip. I want it real light. That's all I want. So these, again, are from Hobby Lobby. I have bought every one of their candle wax dye colorants in their collection and carried in this little Dollar Tree caddy. I think the only products that I am not using from Hobby Lobby are this candle jar and the wick stickers and also the bamboo sticks, but you could use anything for a stirring stick. I wouldn't use plastic because with the temperatures that you're messing with, they're gonna melt. Okay, saw that I added a little more wax to the batch, and let's hope this works out. Okay, we're doing a check-in about an hour after pour. It's about 70 degrees in here. It is caving. I hear that's Yes, it is. I used to make paraffin wax candles. It is extremely common for this caving. And you can see that it's starting to harden on the sides because that's the true color. At first I was like, oh no, it's a brown. No, it's turning lavender and it's beautiful. Some holes in here where it's caving a little bit. Give it some air pockets and we'll let that further harden some more and we'll come back and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna clean up our candles. This is fully hardened and looks good. I already pulled the skewer out, so we have a hole. This is actually for my own purpose. I wanted to film this from the perspective of anyone can make a candle based on this. So not everyone has a heat gun, and I was told, this thing's so old, that a blow dryer could work. So I'm gonna try it. So I brought my blow dryer out. And we're just gonna clean this up a little bit and then start a melt pool to fill in these cracks. So let's see how that works. I'm gonna turn it on high. Everything just blew away. Okay. I am so pleased with this. It worked. Okay. So it's filling in those holes. I'm just gonna tap it down. Tap it, tap, tap. Run my gloved finger around the edge. Just clean up any mess. This out. Be careful because we did heat it. And the blow dryer works. All right, so it kind of filled in a little bit there. I'm just gonna take the tip of the skewer and just pop it through. Whoop. So we can get our wick through. It's perfect time to do this because everything's wet and it'll stick. So I put it on there and just press down lightly. The frosting is normal with soy wax. Okay. Wow, that looks as good as she's gonna get, and I love it. I'm gonna let that harden for 48 hours before a burn. You wanna let that fully settle. It looks absolutely perfect, and I can't believe a blow dryer worked. That's amazing. Now I have a good backup. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you were inspired to be able to just go to one store, possibly two, and be able to make a beautiful, unique candle. And thanks for watching.